I will show you in this video how to add a search icon on WordPress Astra theme in this video. So you've created your website and you're wondering how to add that. It's what I'm going to show you. Assuming that you've used Astra to build your WordPress website, head over to the dashboard, log into your WordPress account and head over to the dashboard section and go to appearance and customize. Once you click on customize, you'll be presented with a screen that has got options. And what you want to do is to go to header builder. Once you go to header builder, you're going to see options at the bottom part, probably at the bottom part, depending on your device. So these options, there's a bar which has got the site logo, and then here there is the primary menu, which is the menu here and the logo there. So what you need to do is to move your mouse over these divisions, and then when you see the plus icon, you click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to be presented with a pop-up that comes up with several options, and what you need to do is to select the search option. Once you add the search option, your page should refresh. Once it refreshes, you should be able to see the search icon appearing next to the menu. However, in some cases, you may move the search, or your search icon may appear before the menu, and you can just click and hold and move these. You just do an interchange to exchange. I prefer it next to the, just after the menu. That's why I prefer it to go, and you can place it wherever you want depending on your design, but I prefer it to go to the end of the menu. Just adding on to that, if you prefer to have a different icon altogether or a different view, all you do is to click on the search icon that you have just added, and you'll be presented on the left side. You'll be presented with different options. So the first option that is there is to select the kind of search style that you want. You can just click on that, and probably if you want a search option where there is a search box, you can just select that by clicking this arrow that points down, and then select one that you prefer. And my page is going to load, and then there you have it. You have the search, and if you need to change this text, you can do that by customizing all these preferences. If you need to change the placeholder, if you need to change the icon size, if you need to change the height, and all these. And again, if you go to the design section, if you need to change the icon color and anything that you'd love to change, you can do just that. Once you are done, make sure that you hit publish so that the changes can actually take effect.